Welcome to week 20 of 52 of Stock Roulette, where I invest around 50 bucks a week randomly into one stock. I just load that week's top 10 pick into pickrandom.com, give it a spin. Whichever one it lands on, we talk about, and we talk about why it's in my top 10 list. Many companies have been reporting some great earnings again and again, but the FUD in the market continues despite the great earnings. With inflation fears and just about any other BS excuse from the hedge funds taking profits from the growth, tech, and biospace. Friday was a magical day in the stock market. Well, it felt normal for a change of pace. Okay, let's roll. And here we go. Riot Blockchain, all right. This week's pick is Riot Blockchain Incorporated, ticker RIOT. Riot Blockchain intends to gain exposure for the blockchain ecosystem through its cryptocurrency mining operations, its internal developed businesses, and its joint ventures. Its primary focus is on Bitcoin and general blockchain technology. To put it simply, Riot is the leader in Bitcoin mining since 2017. Bitcoin mining is a little complicated, but generally it is a repeated process of guessing inputs into an algorithm until the desired output is observed. Miners compete to get this output, which results in a reward. Bitcoin mining has evolved from early adopters in their basements and their laptops to hobbyists to large-scale industrial operations owned and managed by publicly traded companies, such as Riot. Riot Blockchain's mining hash rate is rapidly growing and is expected to reach 5 EHS by the end of 2021. Hash rate refers to the total combined computerized power that is being used to mine and process the transaction on a proof-of-work blockchain, such as Bitcoin. And Riot mining fleet moved to a facility in Massena, New York in mid-2020. This was a former Alcoa smelting operation that used 435 megawatts total power capacity, to which only 50 is utilized by Riot currently. And a big reason that I added Riot to my list finally is because crypto has finally calmed down a little bit from its all-time highs. And when I say they came down a little bit, this stock has some wild swings within the last 52 weeks. It was as low as $1.93, reached a whopping $79.50 back this February, and then it's settled down to the mid to upper 20s right now. And the reason for most of this sell-off is in talks of Bitcoin using a lot of energy, and of course Elon Musk tanking Bitcoin by not accepting it for now. But the cool thing about Riot that many people don't know is that 88% of its electricity generated in their new facility is from zero emission source, giving them a ultra-low carbon footprint, low cost of energy, and lower average daily temperatures as compared to other companies. This supports miner longevity and profitability. Now, Riot has a Texas pilot project where Riot is continuously exploring new ways of mining and new technology to maintain being the leader in this position. And it utilizes up to 8 megawatts to access the potential for higher productivity and lower costs for mining opportunities. So moving on, in April 2021, Riot announced the acquisition of Whitestone. It is the largest single Bitcoin mining facility in North America, with over 300 megawatts in developed capacity, and it is expandable to 750 megawatts. So if you're bullish on crypto, especially in Bitcoin, Riot should be a no-brainer since it is the largest publicly traded Bitcoin mining and hosting company, with now the largest mining facility as well as the best power consumption costs. And they claim to be the lowest power consumption cost in the industry. Now I know Mara is another really good one to consider. So taking a look at the analyst, there aren't too many analysts that are doing a lot with Riot. It's a unique stock with only one rating that's a buy and an average price target that is about $64 a share. Their debt has been going down and their revenue has been going up. So they're heading in the right direction if you believe in Bitcoin and if you believe that their prices will continue to rise over the long term. But like anything, when something is new, it takes a little bit of time. I personally invested in Bitcoin in 2017 between the $14,000 and $15,000 price mark. I started to get slightly scared and depressed when it got down to 3,800 bucks. Now we're in the 40,000 range. I just had to hold on just long enough. It may be the case for Riot as it fluctuates with the prices with Bitcoin. So this may be one that you really need some patience for. All right, let's go make a quick purchase. RIOT, Riot Blockchain, currently getting hammered, trading for $22.34. Thanks, Elon. Give me buying opportunities here. Okay, we're gonna do 3 shares at a market buy priced at $67.11. There you go, we're all set. Okay guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Please make sure you do your own due diligence before you purchase any kind of stocks in the stock market today. Also, like all the other videos, I wear my custom designer dress shirts. This is my primary business. They're American-made, high-quality designer dress shirts. I'll put a link below if you guys want to check it out. And lastly, if you don't trade your own stocks or thinking of doing something different, Robinhood and Webull are great options. I prefer Webull because you can trade pre-market and after market's closed. It's also free. And if you deposit $100 into that account, we both get 2 free stocks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it for the YouTube algorithm. I do have more videos I'm working on. Please consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you guys soon.